Speed audio. Jared, interview, take one.
Welcome, this is Les Schwab here. We're going to perform a Fabtech 6-inch lift kit on a Northwest Motorsports pickup truck, 2016 Dodge Ram 1500. There's lots of applications for a reasoning for a lift kit. Some like the cosmetic look. A lot of people like to go a little bit more off-road. So it'll allow for a larger wheel and tire application to perform outside the pavement. You want to make sure that the vehicle is stable and steady on your suspension rack. That way you can work on it with ease without any problems. We're going to remove the wheels and tires off of the vehicle and start disassembling the front end. We're going to be removing the brake assembly, the front knuckle and sway bar end links and everything that attaches to the lower control arms. The sway bar end links will be removed, and that will allow for everything to be disassembled from the front end so we can allow for drop brackets. Now we're going to try to get to some of those actual bolts that hold the differential on. You can stand on the other side and we'll move the plates out of the way. There's the differential. Alright, so now we're going to open up our kit here so you guys can see what we get to put in. This is the Fabtech kit K3055. This looks like the rear assembly here, so we'll move that off to the side. Another diff drop bracket for that. This is the whole knuckle unit. The factory one gets replaced. We get this big boy here instead. So to give you an idea here, there's the difference. So here's some rear coils that we're going to install. So this is a track bar bracket that we're going to reinstall into the rear to help stabilize the rear from swaying left to right. That is our rearward cross member there. That is what the diff is essentially going to rest almost into. And then here's our front one with our nice Fabtech logo on there. It'll look real nice when we get it all installed. Cut the lower end off of this side here as well. So there's the differential now in place. We're just getting all the bolts started. Arms get a little tired after you do it for a while. We don't want anything to rub. We don't want anything any noises. So we do a little bit more of an intensive rally course, as we like to call. So that way we can make sure that the customer will be happy when they take it out on the off-roads. So now we need to reinstall the knuckle, and I'm a bit short, so I get to use my nifty little stand here. Put some tension on the lower control arms. So now we're going to install the strut.
Mark to the front counter, please. Mark to the front counter.
Now we can attach the upper control arm back to the knuckle. So the factory rearward adaptation is going to come off. We're going to actually relocate that to the front side of the knuckle. So fuel is giving us a set of coupler fuel wheels. We're going to be putting on our Maxxis Razor tire. This is an off-road package. It's definitely a mud tire, so it's a little bit more traction when we take it off-road.
Oh, I'm scared.
Firecracker.
Ah!
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to register to win this lifted Les Schwab 2016 Dodge Ram Tradesman at nwmotorsport.com/madness.